Hello students, let's study about tools to measure journal impact factor. Journal impact factor or IF you have studied through my previous video. I hope you have gone through that video and you have understood what is the impact factor. Okay, so today I am teaching you the tools to measure journal impact factor. In that, first thing that you should know is journal citation report. Journal citation report is also called as JCR. Okay. Now, journal citation report. To whom it is useful? Journal citation report is actually useful to the researchers because they want to know that in which journal they should publish their work. Then it is useful for the librarians so that they can tell the researchers who come to them about which journals are good for them. Then journal citation report is important for the publishers and editors so that they can know that which journals are good ones, which journals are better ones for publishing or editing work. Okay, so journal citation report is actually it provides the ranking of the journals. It gives the ranking of journals in the fields of science, technology and social sciences. It gives the ranking to the journals. Now indexes about more than 12,000 journals. So more than 12,000 journals in the fields of science, technology or social sciences are indexed in this journal citation report. For every journal, information is collected. What is the information which is needed for this inclusion in the journal citation report is citation and article count is taken, that how many citation counts are there, how many article counts are there. Then impact factor is collected or impact factor is tested, calculated. Then immediacy index is noted, cited half-life is noted, citing half-life is done. Then journal listing is done, is noted down, source data listing is noted down and publisher information is noted down. So when this journal citation report collects information about all this and then only it includes the journal or gives the report of the journal in its report. Okay. Then but the limitation it has a limitation, that is, we can see it is limited to citation data of journals which are indexed in Web of Science. I have taken a class of Web of Science. There is a video on Web of Science which is a citation database. So you can understand from my video of Web of Science exactly what it is. So now I hope you can understand this, that this journal citation report has a limitation, that it is only included in this, it is limited to the citation of data which comes in the Web of Science, which is a citation database. Okay, so it does not include Scopus, it does not include Google Scholar. So it's limited only to Web of Science. So JCR has got this limitation. Then it is produced by publisher neutral experts. Publisher neutral experts means those experts who are not related to the publisher. They produce this journal citation report. So it's not influenced by anybody. It has got some good points which are, or you can say the positive aspects of a JCR or advantage of JCR are, it is objective. It finds out the report based on certain criteria which I have already given to you. That every journal information, it collects the information of its impact factor, it collects the information of its citation and article counts, then what is the publisher information, then cited half-life, citing half-life, all this, immediacy index, all these are collected and then only the report is created of that particular journal. So it is very objective. Then there is some quality control. Quality control is there because it goes through each and every points and then only it puts in its report. So it's not doing taking any journal just like that. It is going through every aspect of the journal and then only it is including that journal in its report. So that's why it is having some quality control is there. And it is also publisher neutral. So publishers cannot influence it. So it becomes a quality control aspect. Then it is selective. Selectivity is one aspect, that is it includes the ranking is given based on science, social science, technology, science and technology, then social science impact factor is taken and science impact factor is taken. So based on that it is done. So it is selective for science, social sciences and technology. So it is selective. Then there is transparency. Whatever reports are given here, that is clear to everybody. So it's a very transparent way of reporting about the journals. So I hope you have understood about this Journal Citation Report or JCR, which is actually a tool to measure the journal impact factor. It also includes many other points about the journal, but only drawback that it is having is it includes only the Web of Science database, citations of Web of Science database. Okay. So hope students you have understood what is JCR, where it is used, how it is used, what are its good aspects or advantages and what is its drawback. So I have tried to cover each and every point of JCR. In further videos I will try to expand upon my topics. So I hope you are understanding the topics which I am trying to teach you, which will help you out in your research studies. So you can subscribe to my channel if you like my topics. Ma'am is trying to cover from the school level till the college level different topics. So if you wish, you can subscribe to my channel and you can press the bell icon so that you can get notifications regularly regarding the topics which ma'am is trying to put related to your research work. So thank you and have a nice day.